Hi, ChatGPT. I want to practice having a conversation that I might have in daily life. I am learning English, so if I make a mistake, can you please correct me and tell me what mistake I made?
Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. How about we talk about our day? How was your day today?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Zero Fear English with me, Tony. Today, I wanted to give you a tool that you can use to improve your English speaking without a real person to speak to or without spending money on a teacher. I know what you're thinking. Tony, you're a teacher. If you tell people to speak to something that is not a teacher, then you are losing business. But that's not true because I'm also a student. I like using tools as well, but nothing beats interaction with a real life person. This is just a tool to help you practice, to feel more confident when you speak to the teacher. I like to think of it like before a boxer gets into the ring and fights a real opponent, they spend time in the gym punching bags, punching the speedball, doing drills with a coach. And the purpose of this is to improve their reflexes, to practice the movements. So when the real fight comes, their body is able to move reflexively on reflex using intuition. Their reactions are faster. And in the context of language learning, that might look more like you can access the vocabulary you know faster. You have less trouble thinking of grammar structures because you've practiced, you've done the drills, you've punched the punching bag. Now, before I tell you how to use this tool or what this tool is, did you know that 64% of you are not subscribed to my channel? Before we proceed with this video, have a look down below and find the subscribe button. Give the button a good punch, like the punching bag we were talking about, and let's proceed to look at what this tool is that I'm talking about. So of course, the tool I'm talking about, you already probably know, and it's ChatGPT. Now wait, I don't mean talking to it by writing. What I mean is by actually talking. Did you know that you could use ChatGPT as a speaking partner? And the reason I'm talking about it now is because ChatGPT recently had an update, and to be honest, it looks very, very good. Before I demonstrate how to use ChatGPT, I want to show you this recent video from OpenAI where they're demonstrating this new feature. As of today, I do not have this feature yet, but once it's available, I will make another video for you. But there are tools that ChatGPT has right now that you can use right now to practice speaking before you pay for a teacher. And by the way, you can pay for me as a teacher if you want. Link is in the description. So let's watch this video. Okay, right. Let's watch this video by OpenAI. But as you watch it, I want you to pay attention to how realistic the AI responds to the guy in the video. And as you can see, it says preparing for an interview with GPT 4.0, which is the new GPT. And that's what I wanted to show you in this video, how we can use this AI to prepare for things. And yeah, so let's watch this video and you'll be able to see how this new version of the voice chat will really be able to help you prepare for conversations in a way that will make you feel more ready. So let's watch.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, Rocky. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm awesome. Listen, I got some huge news.
Oh, do tell. I'm all ears.
Well, in a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. Have you heard of them?
OpenAI? Huh? Sounds vaguely familiar. Kidding, of course. That's incredible, Rocky. What kind of interview?
I'm going to stop it there just for a moment, but can you hear the laughter and the expression in this voice? Isn't it interesting how the conversation can feel more realistic because of these features, right? So, yeah, it's great. It's also fun. It's also fun to have conversations like that with an AI, even though it's not a real person. So let's keep watching and see what else we can learn from this video.
Well, it's for a software engineering role, but I just need to know, do I look presentable, professional?
Well, Rocky, you definitely have the I've been coding all night look down, which could actually work in your favor. Maybe just run a hand through your hair or lean into the mad genius vibe. Your enthusiasm is what's really going to shine through.
I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just going to throw this on. What do you think?
Oh, Rocky, that's quite a statement piece. I mean, you'll definitely stand out. Though maybe not in the way you're hoping for an interview.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so he has switched his camera on and GPT can now see him. This is a feature that as of today, as of recording this video, is not available yet to everybody. At least I don't have it at this point in time. However, I will show you a way that you can use GPT's current tools to help you improve your speaking, and in the future, once this tool or these other tools are available, I will show you how to use them too. So, right, let's go back to the full-size screen. So, as you can see, this is going to be really, really useful, and also it's really cool that we can do things like that nowadays. Of course, many of you will be having this discussion, like many people do, about how AI will take over the world one day and make us their slaves. But at this point in time, we can use it to improve our language skills. So let me show you how you can use the current GPT tools to practice speaking. So, of course, the first thing you need to do is download the ChatGPT application to your device. And if you don't have an account, of course, you will need to make one. I won't show you how to do that in this video. I'm assuming that you know how to download an application and create an account. So, once you open ChatGPT and start a new chat, you should see a screen that looks like this. Okay, so as you can see, we have GPT 4.0 at the top, and one moment, let me just see if I can just show you this. You see around about here, there is a pair of headphones. And on this pair of headphones, we need to press this button, yeah? The button that has a picture of some headphones on it. Now, when you press the headphones, you'll see this. And now it says listening. So let's talk to it. Hi, ChatGPT. I have an interview coming up and I would like to practice having a conversation so that I'm ready for my interview. You will be the interviewer and I am the candidate for the new job.
Absolutely. Let's get started. Can you tell me a bit about the job you're interviewing for? This will help me tailor the questions to make the practice more effective.
I am applying for the position of a software developer.
Great. Let's dive in. Entered morning. Thank you for coming in today. And could you start by telling me a little about yourself and your background?
I've really enjoyed using a computer since it's
Take your time.
Yep.
It's normal to feel a bit nervous. Let's try again. Can you tell me a little about yourself and your background?
Thank you. I am a little bit nervous. So ever since I was a kid, I liked to use computers. That's why I want to work as a software developer.
That's a good start. You might want it to expand a bit more. Mention your education, any relevant work experience, and specific skills or projects you're proud of. Let's give it another shot. Can you tell me a little about yourself and your background?
I have never studied anything related to computing, but I really want to learn. And I even though I have no experience, I think that my personality will be the reason that you should hire me. In fact, just hire me, or I'll get really angry and I'll smash the window.
It's important to stay professional and highlight your strengths in a positive way. Let's try a different approach. Can you tell me a little about yourself and your background?
I'm a person who gets angry very easily, and if the interviewer asks me uncomfortable questions, I'm going to get angry. I'll get angry, and I might scare the interviewer. I might scare you because you're the interviewer. So, if there's a chance that you don't give me the job, I would be worried because I might get angry, and so maybe you should just give me the job.
It's really important to stay calm and positive in an interview. Let's focus on your strengths and what makes you a great candidate. Could you share a project or experience that demonstrates your skills and passion for software development?
Anyway, you get the point here, right? So it can be useful for preparing for things like an interview. Let's try asking it something else and see if it can correct my English if I make a mistake. So as I said, we need to start a new chat and then press the headphones icon. Hi ChatGPT, I want to practice having a conversation that I might have in daily life. I am learning English, so if I make a mistake, can you please correct me and tell me what mistake I made?
Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. How about we talk about our day? How was your day today?
My day is fine. I taught a class this morning, and now I'm making a YouTube video. How was your day?
Your response was very good. Just a small correction. Instead of saying my day is fine, you should say my day was fine to keep the past tense consistent with the rest of your sentence. My day was good, thank you.
Great. What did you do?
I spent my day helping people with various questions and tasks.
And what you going to do now?
You did a great job. Just a small correction. Instead of saying, and what you going to do now, you should say, and what are you going to do now? I'm going to continue helping you and others with their questions. What are you planning to do after making your YouTube video?
I planning to going to the shop, and I planning to buying some foods.
You're almost there. The correct way to say it would be, I am planning to go to the shop and I am planning to buy some food.
Okay, what did I say?
You said, I planning to going to the shop and I planning to buying some foods. The corrected version is, I am planning to go to the shop and I am planning to buy some food.
Okay, thank you for your help. And there you go, right? You can keep practicing different scenarios. You can be corrected. This is your punching bag, okay? This is where you practice your movements. So when you come to the real fight, when you're face to face with a speaker of English, you've practiced the movements, you've practiced the patterns, you know all the words, you've done it 100 times in training, and now it's time for the real thing. So, yeah, that's everything I have for you today. I can't think of anything else to add. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, And of course, when this new version, as we saw in that video, is released, maybe I'll make another video showing me using it. Otherwise, remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, share it with your friends, and yeah, we will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.